All right, ladies, to create a custom frame, we're going to start in Canva. We're going to create a new design. We're going to create a custom size that's about 2000 by 2000 pixels and hit create new design. Then we're going to come into the elements tab, and then I'm just going to put in maple leaf in the search bar of the elements so we can create a fall inspired frame. All right, I'm going to choose the one that's black. I can click see all to see all the graphics. It is better when you choose one that is just solid black. So I would recommend that you definitely do this in order to make this work really easily and seamlessly for you. All right, now Canva has recently added a feature that you actually can't export anything unless you add 2 elements to it. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of text. I'm not gonna do anything to it. All I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come up to transparency, take it down to 0, so I actually remove it. Okay, now we can export this. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hit share, and I'm gonna click download, and I need to download this as an SVG. And I need to download it with a transparent background. Then I'm just going to click download. Once you have your download started, you're going to come over to the website figma.com. You're going to sign up for a free account. Do not need a paid account. Once you've already kind of got your email in and you've signed up and they've given you the link, you come to the dashboard that looks like this. You're going to hit plus and create new, and you're looking for design file. Then what you're going to do is you're simply going to get that download that you just got, and you're just going to take it and drag it onto this artboard. Now it comes in pretty big. What we're going to do is, I'm on a Mac, so I'm going to hold down the command key and hit the minus button a couple of times. If you're on a PC, you're going to hit control and the minus button a couple of times. All right, now what you're going to do is you're going to select everything that's on the page and you're going to group it. And the way that you're going to group it is you're going to hit the command and the letter G if you're on a Mac. You're going to hit control and the letter G if you're on a PC. When you have the group selected over here on the left-hand side, you can see that it is because there's blue. You're going to come down to where it says selection colors. You're going to hit these 4 dots, which is the style button. And in the search bar, you're just going to search for image. It's going to come up as image placeholder, and you're going to click on that. Now we have to do a couple of more things here. So first thing we're going to do is just kind of click off in the gray area over here, click back on the image, go back into the image placeholder, and what we're going to do is we're going to click detach style. Then what we're going to do is we're going to click on this circle element there, and what we're going to do is we're going to be able to get rid of this color, and we're going to take the image opacity up to 100%, and then we're just going to hit return. Now what we're going to do is we're going to click on this image again, and we're going to upload our own image from our computer. Anything that you want. I'm just quickly going to go into my photos and pick one of my more recent headshots, and I'm just going to click upload. That's it. Now, it's not quite showing in all the areas yet. We have to do one other little thing. We need to change it from fit to fill. Now you can see the images scaling everywhere. That's what we want. Now what we're going to do is we are just going to close this little area here. So we're going to click on our group again, and we're going to come over here to the export button. We're going to click the plus, and what we're going to do is we're going to export this as a PDF, and we're going to click export group 1. Now we've got group 1 with a 1 after it, and that is the file that we've just downloaded. So let's just check it out. If we go into our downloads folder, and here it is. Now we're going to go back to Canva. We're going to come back here. We're going to hit create new design. This time we're going to click upload, and we're going to choose the file that we just downloaded in our downloads folder and click open. Going to give it a second, let it do its thing. Now we can click on this to open it. And now you can see if I tap on this and hit remove, we have now created a frame. And we can go into our uploads folder. We can find any image that we want and we can drag it in there. And we have just created a frame that we can use in our own branding. Hope you enjoyed this one. Make sure you subscribe and follow for more. Cheers.